Do you want to speak English smoothly and confidently? Today, we're going to have a complete conversation. Watch carefully, repeat after me, and notice how your confidence grows with every line. Good morning, Lily. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Ethan. Yes, I slept well. And you?
I slept okay. Woke up a little early today.
Oh, what did you do early in the morning?
Just made coffee and listened to some music.
Nice. I also love starting the day with a hot cup of coffee.
Coffee wakes me up fast. Do you prefer coffee or tea in the morning?
Tea for me. I feel calm after tea.
I need energy fast, so coffee works better for me.
Everyone has their own morning routine, right?
Exactly. What's your plan for today?
I'll go for a short walk, then maybe visit the bookstore.
Bookstore sounds fun. Are you buying anything special?
Just some novels and maybe a magazine.
That's cool. I like reading short stories sometimes.
Yes, short stories are easier to finish in a busy day.
Do you also write sometimes?
A little. I write small sentences to practice English.
That's smart. Writing helps remember new words.
Exactly. And sometimes I practice speaking aloud too.
Perfect. Speaking is the most important skill.
I feel nervous at times, especially when talking to new people.
That's normal. The more you practice, the easier it gets.
True. Do you practice every day?
Yes, even 15-20 minutes a day. Small daily practice is enough.
I should do the same. Consistency is key.
Absolutely. What about hobbies? Do you have any?
I like painting and listening to music.
Nice. I love music too. I play guitar sometimes.
Wow, I wish I could play an instrument.
You can try. Even a simple instrument is fun.
Yes, maybe one day. Do you watch English movies?
Yes, I watch movies and series to learn casual English.
Same here. I try repeating phrases to practice pronunciation.
That's excellent. Which type of movies do you like?
I like comedies and animated movies.
I like adventure and action movies mostly.
We can watch a movie together sometime.
That sounds fun. Also, we can try chatting in English while watching.
Yes, discussing the story helps improve vocabulary.
Exactly. And you get used to thinking in English.
I want to practice more confidently.
You will. We can start with daily life topics and then move to new phrases.
Perfect. What topic should we try next?
How about food? Everyone loves talking about food.
Yes, I like pasta, sandwiches, and salads.
I love pizza, burgers, and fries.
Fast food is tasty, but we should eat healthy too.
Absolutely. Balance is important.
Do you cook sometimes?
A little. I make simple dishes, mostly eggs or pasta.
That's great. Cooking is a useful skill.
Yes, and it's fun too. We can cook together sometime.
Sounds fun. I like trying new recipes.
Perfect. Also, going to the park is relaxing after cooking.
Yes, fresh air and a walk are always refreshing.
Agreed. We should make it a habit.
Definitely. I feel motivated to practice English more.
Me too. Step by step, we will get better every day.
Yes, mistakes are fine. Confidence matters most.
Exactly. Let's continue practicing together regularly.
Deal. I'm ready to speak more confidently every day.
Great. Let's start simple today and gradually speak better.
Yes, consistency is the key. Let's do it. Awesome! You just completed a full conversation. Repeat it daily, speak out loud, and don't fear mistakes. Start simple, stay consistent, and your English will improve step by step. Keep going and stay confident.